Hello guys, here how to merge two audio file in Audacity. So you're gonna go and import the audio you want to merge like that. Go file, import audio, select the file. So there is two methods to do this. You can go and select the audio you want, go edit, copy, select the place you want it to be, so maybe like that, go and paste. And if there are part you don't like or something, you can go edit, audio clip, split, go to other part, edit, audio clip, split, select the part that you don't like, go edit, delete. So that's it. And there is another method, like you can go and select and all, go track, mix and render. This is the best one of them, so click on it, and here you have your audio merged together. So thank you.